Hi, I'm Devin with DecksDirect, and today I'm out here on our sample decks to go over composite deck cleaning. Here at DecksDirect.com, we don't really recommend using a pressure washer because of how easy it is to actually strip your composite deck. What we do recommend, however, is our easy 3-step process: the sweep up, the clean up, and then the layup. Step number 1 is the sweep up. This is where you clear all debris from the surface of your composite deck. We recommend using a nylon bristle broom so that you don't scratch the surface of your composite deck boards. Step number 2, the cleanup. This is where we wash the surface of your composite decking. You're going to need a bucket of water, dish soap, and a soft bristle brush. Step number 3, the layup. It's literally that. Now that your composite decking is clean, it's time to lay up and enjoy. And as always, if you have any questions, give us a call. DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe. DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.